let's show you how you can set your filters in messaging log to only show the messages that are relevant to you. For example, by the way, you need to go to open the filters. You click on either the button here or anywhere on the bar in the background here. So what you can do, for example, is that you only want to see certain campaigns. So you select a campaign name, so you will only see the messages relevant to that campaign. You can set it up to only see messages that have the sender ID CM.com, for example, or only see messages sent to a specific recipient. Let's do it with this fake number. Or messages to a certain country by clicking the drop down and selecting a country. Select the channel, such as SMS, push, voice, or RCM. And you can select how many hits you want to display, up to 500 items. Let's keep it on 525. The direction means whether it is an outgoing message or an incoming message. Incoming messages are replies on messages that you've sent out via a long code, via Send the Messages app, or if you've set up a keyword on a shortcode, you will see the incoming messages by selecting inbound here. You can also filter on status, so maybe you only want to see the messages that have been delivered, and whether there's been a conversion, yes or no. You can also filter on the message content. Maybe there is a specific qualifier based on the message that you've sent. And you can select whether you want to concatenate multi-part messages. What that means is sometimes a message is longer than the 160 characters. To present it in a nice manner, we present the message as being one message. However, if you want to see those two messages as being separate messages, you need to untick this box. Right, set up all the filters that I'd like. So I now click on apply. And as you can see, it now only shows that one message that I've sent in that time frame.